Got a TCL phone stuck on FRP lock after a reset? Whether it's a second-hand device or a sync glitch, this video shows 5 easy ways to bypass FRP and regain access quickly. Part 1. How to perform TCL FRP bypass via Android lock wiper left bracket time dash tested right bracket. So here's the deal with Android lock wiper. This tool gets you back into your phone when you're locked out, whether it's a pin, pattern, or that annoying Google FRP wall. How to bypass TCL FRP lock with Android lock wiper. Step 1. Setup and preparation. Download and install the software. Then select Remove Google Lock FRP, Advanced Mode. Connect your TCL phone via USB. Click Start and back up your device to avoid data loss. Step 2. Enter phone details. Select PDA, country, and carrier. Then download the data package and enter download mode. Step 3. Enable USB debugging and OEM unlock. Extract the firmware and let the software unlock FRP. Part 2. How to bypass TCL FRP lock using custom recovery. Go to Settings, About Phone, and tap Build number 7 times. Open Developer Options and enable USB debugging on your PC. Install ADB and Fastboot tools and download a compatible TERP recovery for your TCL model. Part 3. How to bypass TCL Google FRP via Mediatek FRP bypass. Install MTK USB drivers, disable antivirus, and run Mediatek FRP bypass tool. Install drivers, reboot, relaunch, and select Erase FRP Start. Power off TCL, hold volume up or down, connect to PC, wait for removal, then set up phone. Part 4. How to bypass FRP lock on TCL using Google Lens. Connect TCL phone to Wi-Fi. Open a share option, for example, Maps Share Messages, and enter a URL. Take a screenshot and open it. Tap Share Google Lens, search in Chrome. Install an FRP bypass APK and use settings to add a new Google account.